Hey there, crafty friends. Welcome back to the channel. So, have you ever wanted to create your own custom mug with a personalized design? Maybe for yourself or as a gift for someone special. Well, you're in the right place because today I'm gonna show you exactly how to make a custom coffee mug using a Cricut machine and a Cricut Mug Press. If you have any questions along the way and want expert tips, drop a comment below or call us on the displayed numbers to connect with our team. Now let's grab your supplies and dive right in. First, you need to open your Cricut Design Space on your computer. On the home page, search for Mug Design in the search bar and press Enter. Be sure to select the Images tab to locate the image design for your coffee mug and choose the one you like. The moment you select your design, you'll be taken to a new page where you will find an Add to Canvas option. Just click on it to add it to your canvas. Once your mug design is added to your canvas, go to the left side Tools panel and select Text. Then start typing anything you want or add images to get an awesome look. Select your added text and go to the Font section in the top ribbon. Now, select the whole design, including your text and mug design, and click on Attach. Once you find everything good to go, just hit the Make button located at the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you need to select the material size from the drop-down menu and also make sure the mirror option is enabled. And after that, hit the Continue button. Next, you need to select the Infusible transfer sheet as your cutting material. Alright, we've completed our design part. Let's now move on to the second part, but before that, please subscribe to our channel so that we can bring more useful tutorials for you. Now, grab your material and cut it to your design size and place it onto the cutting mat. Place the cutting mat into your Cricut and start cutting. Once cutting is done, you need to peel off your excessive vinyl. Grab your coffee mug and make sure its surface is completely clean. You can use a lint roller to clean it as well. Then attach the cut design onto your coffee mug outer surface and secure it using a heat resistant tape. Go ahead and power on your Cricut Mug Press so it can start heating up. Insert your mug into the mug press and press the lever down. Keep an eye on the lights at the top of the mug press. They act as a progress bar. Once the lights are lit, the machine will beep, letting you know the heat transfer is complete. When it's done, lift the lever and carefully remove the mug. Don't worry, the handle stays cool, so it's safe to hold. Allow the mug to cool for a few minutes. Then peel off the excess material, and that's it. Your custom coffee mug is ready to use. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.